Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Truth Web Design and Development. They're looking for a customer support specialist. It pays $18 to $24 an hour. Truth Web is looking for a talented customer support specialist to help manage inquiries that come through Freshdesk and change requests for our hosting and web clients. Here at Truth Web, we have close to 1,000 clients hosting on a monthly basis, and all of them have websites. The clients need a friendly, caring individual to understand their inquiries and fix them if they can. If not, you will pass the ticket on to the development team. You will play a critical role in managing requests and inquiries regarding the website and any hosting/digital needs for our clients. It's imperative that you help maintain a healthy relationship with our customers through Freshdesk and over the phone. You will be responsible for tackling incoming website maintenance requests, engaging our customers in conversation regarding questions about our products and their performance, and seeking to grow relationships with clients. This job does not include benefits. Pay time off, but no benefits. Requirements: at least 1 year experience with WordPress, at least 1 year experience with cPanel or similar hosting softwares, familiarity with DNS records with editing those. Cloudflare experience is a bonus. Optional is able to quickly and efficiently handle web hosting related issues such as FTP, PHP-based errors, etc. Has reliable high-speed internet connection. Prior experience selling web products or services to small businesses. Responsibilities will be: this role will be comprehensive and will play a part in each step of the process. Use independent judgment to diagnose the current state of a customer's website and domain or issue. Check each website preview for quality prior to sending out to customers. Pitch the value of its website service to new and existing customers over the phone or ticket support to maximize utilization. Complete final QA and publishing of the websites. Support customers post-launch with website requests. This job is part-time. It pays $18 to $24 an hour. It has flexible schedule, pay time off, and you can work from home. It's Monday through Friday, no nights, and self-determined schedule. It includes supplemental pay such as commission pay. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if it's not for you, it's okay. You can find your next remote work from home job right here on this channel by just subscribing and hitting the notification bell, because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you find the one that fits you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.